Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. By going to your favorite search engine and typing in the words Canva and Affinity, you will see a search result someplace near the top that says that you can access Affinity for free with a Canva account, and it's typically going to be a Canva search listing. You want to click on that element. It's here where you will find instructions on accessing Affinity for free with an existing Canva account, and you'll see all of the details that are available about which accounts are going to be eligible. Are terms that you want to adhere to when you're going to be logging into Affinity with your Canva account. And there are directions on the page that will show you exactly how to set up Affinity with your Canva account depending on what kind of Canva account you currently have. This will change the nature of your Canva interactions and some of what you'll be able to do with your Canva account. If you go to your Canva home and you click on Canva AI, you will see several elements that will allow you to use the AI inside of Canva, which you can now use just as you would any other AI by typing in a query. And so just as you would interact with ChatGPT or Gemini, you can now interact in the very same way using Canva. There is a video course that will walk you through the elements of working with the new Affinity interface, as well as new features inside of the Canva account. If you'd like to find out more about that course, check out the link you see on your screen.